You're not taking care of your hygiene. You're not paying close attention to how you smell, how you look, how clean you are. And the crazy part is that this is the fastest way for you to improve how you look. And I'm gonna give you an example of this. I don't know why guys in general just completely skip that step every morning, when in reality, it's some of the easiest stuff that you can implement. For example, as soon as you step out the shower, one of the first things I ever want you to do is apply body lotion all over. This will give you two powers. One, your skin's gonna be supple, soft, buttery. And when you are talking to a girl and things are getting heated and she feels that, yo, that's attractive, bro. Like, she ain't gonna wanna get your hands off of you. More importantly though, you won't be ashy, which is not pleasant to see. But the best thing that this does is that it elongates the lifespan of your fragrance. This is something people don't understand. When your skin is hydrated and moisturized, it won't absorb the oils from your fragrance, allowing the fragrance to sit on the surface level of your skin so you can smell better all day. So it's like a win-win, which is why this Saturday, boys, April 29th, with our new fragrance that's dropping, that Darian from Bowtie Fragrance Reviews designed with ourselves, yo, the fragrance is delicious. But what we really did is that we took it a step further by adding more products to the bundle to increase the lifespan of your fragrance, to really like supercharge that fragrance to make sure you smell amazing always. For example, we're adding a body lotion, high-grade ingredients, hydrates the skin, and it's gonna help the main fragrance smell better. We're also adding a solid cologne. That way throughout the day, let's say 5 hours, 6 hours in, as the fragrance starts to cool down, you can reapply the same fragrance to kind of give it that boost. We're also adding a deodorant spray. Boys, this is one of the best bundles we've ever done for Santa Lucia, and it's gonna sell out. The problem with this fragrance is that, as you know, with Santa Lucia, once our fragrances sell out, we almost never restock them. Our dark collection's almost gone. This collection, it's ultra limited because I don't want everyone smelling the same. I only want a few key guys that truly care about their scent to smell amazing, and this Saturday it's dropping. Remember, some guys are already subscribed to the monthly subscription. Those guys get it first. You guys are good. Pro members shop on Friday, so if you're a pro member, or if you're not a pro member, you should become one. You can shop Friday, and then the launch happens this Saturday, 29th. So if you're not a pro member and you're not subscribed to the fragrance subscription, I would put a reminder on your phone. Saturday, April 29th, 10 a.m. Eastern. You want to be there. 2, buy a tongue scraper. This is one of the fastest ways to become a better kisser, to become more attractive. There is nothing more unpleasant than being in front of another person, and as you're speaking, bad breath is coming out of your mouth. And I can't tell you how many times that's happened to me. Like, it gets to a point, I don't even want to be around you, bro. It's disgusting. I need you to start cleaning your tongue. Your tongue is the culprit. It's the reason why most of your bad breath is being produced. I would say like 90% of your bad breath comes from your tongue. All that white gunk, you need to clean on a daily basis, and nothing will do it better than a tongue scraper. 3, use lotion as your hair product. See, a lot of times, even if you got short hair like I do, the problem with you is that your hair is looking all over the place. You're not actually styling it because you're too lazy to do so. So the minimum thing you can do is grab some body lotion that you already have and apply it to your hair. See, body lotion, it's a hydrator. So it's gonna act almost like a leave-in conditioner for your hair. When your hair is hydrated, it won't frizz up and make you look all crazy. So at a bare minimum, if you're not styling your hair, which is what you should be doing, at least grab some body lotion, put it through your hair to keep it hydrated, healthy, and controlled. 4, I want you to shave your face. And when I say shave your face, I'm not even talking about your beard. I'm talking about the skin area. I've talked about this before. See, if you go and buy yourself a straight razor or that eyebrow tool that I talked to you can buy it on Amazon for like 10, 20 bucks. That eyebrow tool is great because that razor, you can use it to shave up your face, and you're gonna notice a lot of little hair start being pulled up and dead skin. When you do that, you're removing almost a top layer of texture, top layer of old skin and a bunch of hair, and once you're done, that's why every time you're done, when you come out of the barber, it's not just the haircut that makes you look good, is that all that excess hair, all that peach fuzz has been removed, so your skin looks like it's glowing. 5, foot deodorant. This is one of those hygiene tips most of you are skipping, and you know you need it if every time you step into your closet, it smells funky. If your closet smells a little weird, I can guarantee you it's coming from your footwear and that your feet stink. Bro, the same way that any other area when it stinks, the way you deal with it is deodorant, you do the same thing here. You grab some deodorant, usually spray on deodorant is the best. You can put it on your feet and then put it in the shoe, and every time you wear, you do this. I promise you, if it's a good deodorant, it's gonna neutralize the bad scent you already have and then leave a nice aroma afterwards. You do this for about a month with all your shoes as you wear them, your whole closet is gonna be fixed and your feet won't stink. 6, I want you to rub ice on your face. This tip is so powerful and it's free. Bro, like you have to understand, your face will fluctuate throughout the day and it'll retain more or less water throughout the day, which makes you look bloated. There's a lot of inflammation, a lot of redness that happens as well. If you want to neutralize that and kind of make your skin a little bit tighter, more firm, closer to your jawline and bone structure to give you that definition, rub ice around your face. Just grab an ice cube, rub it around your face. You could literally do this every single day. It's almost like a cold plunge for your skin. And number 7, I want you to mix fragrances. This is the best way to stand out with your hygiene. See, once you get to the upper levels of your grooming and your hygiene, you're gonna be amongst the top 1% of dudes that always smell good, they look good, they're always on point. If you wanna take it an extra step, really leave them in the dust. I want you to mix your fragrances. This means that if you got your Dior Sauvage and you like that, you can apply a little bit of Dior Sauvage and then a few sprays of your Versace Eros, or your Le Labo, or your Byredo, like literally, or your Tom Ford. Grab whatever fragrances you have, the ones that are your real favorites, and start mixing and matching. It's the best way to generate a new scent that you will know it's 100% unique.